Imagine a company that once ruled the mobile phone world, now fighting to stay relevant, suddenly becomes the hottest topic on Wall Street. BlackBerry, the legendary phone maker, turned meme stock, saw its share price soar almost overnight. But how did this happen? And why did everyday investors become the main players in this story? Today, we break down the incredible rise of BlackBerry as a meme stock. BlackBerry's story is one of innovation, decline, and a surprising second life. Once synonymous with business smartphones, BlackBerry lost its market dominance to iPhones and Android devices. Investors moved on. Analysts called it a dying brand, and the stock had been steadily declining for years. But then, something unexpected happened. In early 2021, a wave of retail investors on platforms like Reddit's WallStreetBets began hunting for undervalued stocks. They were looking for companies whose stocks were heavily shorted by hedge funds, essentially. Bets that these companies would fail. And BlackBerry, with its small market value and a large number of short positions, fit the profile perfectly. Here's how it all unfolded. Retail investors noticed that hedge funds were betting against BlackBerry, expecting it to fall. This sparked a strategy called a short squeeze. When enough investors buy the stock, short sellers are forced to buy shares themselves to cover their losses, which pushes the stock price even higher. What started as a small movement of online communities quickly snowballed. Tweets, memes, and viral posts amplified the attention. Suddenly, BlackBerry wasn't just a phone company. It was a symbol of retail investors taking on Wall Street. Every headline, every meme, every viral post contributed to the stock's sudden spike. The impact was huge. BlackBerry's stock, which had been trading under $10 for years, shot up more than 100% at its peak during the meme stock frenzy. Hedge funds that bet against it faced massive losses, while everyday investors suddenly felt like they were part of something bigger. This wasn't just about money, it was a movement, a statement against the traditional power dynamics of finance. It showed that collective action, fueled by social media and meme culture, could actually shake Wall Street. The story of BlackBerry and similar meme stocks like GameStop became proof that the financial world was no longer controlled solely by institutional investors. Take, for example, Mark, a 28-year-old software engineer who had never invested before. He saw the BlackBerry memes online, read about the short squeeze, and decided to take a small risk with his savings. Within weeks, his investment doubled, then tripled. More importantly, it gave him confidence to learn about investing, stock markets, and financial independence. Stories like Mark's were everywhere, teachers, students, and even retirees sharing tips online, forming a community that blended finance with entertainment. BlackBerry became more than a stock. It became a catalyst for financial education, social connection, and empowerment. BlackBerry's meme stock spike reminds us that in today's market, the rules have changed. Social media, online communities, and retail investors have the power to influence markets in ways that were once unimaginable. While the stock eventually stabilized and the frenzy calmed down, the legacy of BlackBerry as a meme stock lives on, a reminder that even the most unlikely companies can make a dramatic comeback, at least for a moment, thanks to the power of collective action and a viral meme. So next time you scroll through WallStreetBets or see a viral stock meme, remember, you might just be witnessing the next BlackBerry moment.